Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can filter for mutation fish in Fish It Roblox. So if you got a backpack full of common fish and cannot find your legendaries, in today's video I'm going to show you the hidden inventory settings to show only your mutated catches. So whether you're looking for gemstone, albino, or neon, or maybe the midnight mutation, this quick guide will show you how you can use the filter system to flex your rarest find to your friends. So in here, as you guys can see, this is the common inventory. You can see there are lots of common fish, and also it blends with the mutation one. But if you want to only show or see the mutated fish, you can just click on this mutation options on the left side of your inventory. Just click on mutation, and just like that, it will filter only your mutated catches. You can see there's stone, gemstone, frozen, galaxy, and also sandy. There are lots of it. And if you want to go back to the original inventory, you can just click on the none option, and it will show all of your catches. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.